guys, my Nutella-filled chocolate chip cookie recipe. First, I'm going to get out my hazelnut spread or Nutella. As you can see, I'm using this Nutella knockoff, which was actually pretty darn good, okay? So I'm not being cheap, but you can use Nutella if you want to be fancy. I used a regular everyday tablespoon to scoop out these Nutella balls onto a non-stick paper, as you can see here, and then I popped these into the freezer when I had about 20 circles ready. These are going to go in our cookie later. Then I got started on the cookie dough. For this, I'm mixing some brown and white caster sugar together. Then in my mixing bowl, I'm adding cubed cold butter. The butter needs to be cold, right out of the refrigerator. I'm going to turn my mixer on and give it a quick blitz on medium for a minute. This helps the butter to break up, which makes our job easier, and you'll see why in a minute. I'm adding the sugar mixture to my butter to cream the two together. And the almost broken up butter blends in nicely with the sugar when after mixing for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium speed. When it's all combined, it should look like this. I'm going to go in with some nice dark chocolate chips just to cut the sweetness a bit, because Nutella is quite sweet, and in case you didn't notice, there's about half a kilo of sugar in these bad boys. I'll just beat 2 eggs in a separate bowl and then add them to the mixture. This way I'll avoid overmixing. This is not a batter you want to overmix. Cookies need to be nice and lumpy and chunky. I'm weighing my dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Measuring out some flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then mixing them into the wet ingredients, little at a time, and mixing it in nicely. I'm also making sure it's all mixed in and no flour is just sitting at the bottom of the bowl. Once everything is mixed, the cookie batter is ready to be made into balls, and I weigh each ball for uniformity. So each one weighs 100 grams. I've taken out the Nutella spread balls from the freezer, and I'm just going to make a hollow in each cookie ball and place it inside the hollow. Then slowly covering the Nutella ball with cookie dough till the cookie dough completely covers it. Just using my hands for this. These cookie balls went in the freezer for 2 hours. I enjoyed a nice movie while waiting for these to be ready. Then I took them out and placed them on the baking tray that is lined with baking paper. I made sure that they're spaced out really well. I could only fit 6 at a time. So if you have a bigger or smaller oven, be sure to factor this in. They're going in the oven for 17 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When they come out, let them cool for 5 to 7 minutes and enjoy! Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.